Hey yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video guys, we are going to a car meet. You guys already know that these night meets can go either way. It's rather they can go pretty tame and chill or all out crazy, and I feel like tonight it might get a little crazy. That's my guess. I don't know, you really never know with these meets. Definitely not trying to go to too many car meets this year. Like I said, I'm trying to tame it down a little bit this year, but I'll still obviously go to some for you guys because I know there's a lot of you guys that love the car meet videos and stuff like that. Right now, the traffic isn't too bad, so I'm actually going to the meet early, guys, just so that I can get a spot away from the car meet and then walk over there. But before we go ahead and begin today's video, please be sure to smash that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. You guys already know summer is coming around the corner, and you guys already know I'm gonna be trying to get as much content as possible. So hope you guys do enjoy today's video, and I'll pick up at the camera once we are at the meet. Well boys, we are here, and it is raining, sadly, but not a lot. It's just a little bit of rain. Hey, we got the speed buddy over here. Look who it is, man. It's one of our boys. Hey. Dude pulled up. Let's go. We're gonna go check out this meet, guys. We're gonna see what's up, and then we'll go from there. Damn, check this out. Ooh, first Civic Coupe, RPF ones. You guys know how I feel about those wheels, but it's boosted, dude. K-series, boosted. You gotta love it, dude. It's a good like sleeper status too. You wouldn't be able to tell from the outside unless the hood is popped, so I rate it. All right, let's walk through this meet, dudes. We've seen these before on air. That is a lot going on in there. Yo, check these out. These guys are dumped. Pretty sick. Okay, a little taggy. Bro, check out the inside of this stuff. Sound system. You don't see too many Preludes, so it's pretty sick to see one out here. Got a Civic out here. A couple stuff over there. Look at this. Oh my god. Yours? No. Who's the owner? You? Oh, he's the owner? Oh, him at the back. Damn. Boosted RSX. That's crazy. This is an all-wheel drive RSX. Boosted K20. Yo, you can tell too. Bro, this thing is super clean, dude. All-wheel drive. And he did like 90% of the work by himself, other than, you know, like painting some stuff, but this thing is fire. Gee, precision turbo, the vibrant piping and stuff like that, boost controller over there and stuff like that, all-wheel drive. I can only imagine how crazy this thing will be, so I definitely want to take this out on our ride along to see just how this thing performs. That is too clean. Holy. This thing's on low boost right now, making around like high fours, and then its max boost is somewhere around like in the 700s, maybe even 800, so feeling that would be insane. Another thing also, I said that this is a K20. This is actually a Frankenstein build, so K24, K20 together, boosted. No surprise, this thing is so damn nice, bro. It makes me want to do a K-swap to the Soul so bad, but definitely one of the best cars here at the show for sure. Or at the meet, sorry. Super clean, dude. On the hypergrams. The Prelude is shining like crazy right now. Alright, WRX. Here we go on some con size. Got the ducktail wing right here, and you got this nice EG right here. I seen it at a meet before last year, and I didn't get to get a close-up of it since it left early, but this is sick, dude. EGs, I feel like after the Speed 3 we have to get rather an EG or an EK. Like, those are the next two cars that I'm looking at next. I feel like doing a build on these would be so sick. But yeah, Bug Guy, right? Yeah, Bug Guy, and we got the EG. Super nice. Which one do you guys take? This one or the one over here? Got a couple Golfs right here too. Honestly guys, I'm gonna need a new lens because if I zoom in and zoom out, it gets all blurry. So So excuse me not zooming in to see cars closer up because this camera is going to poop right now. Well, at least the lens is. Bro, a Speed 3, a stock one it looks like anyway. Pretty cool to see, but Speed 3 appreciation. Look at this, we got a little Civic right here, and right behind it we got an actual Type R. Type R this is nice, man. In white, Type R's look really good, but I still feel like black Type R's are the best color that you can get for this. I feel like black and red are the best. Got the ice cream man out here too. Honestly, this is actually really tame. And it's not as big as a meat as I thought it was gonna be or anything like that. Not that I was expecting it to be huge or whatever, but I'm actually impressed with how tame it is. Let's go check out this Mustang. This is probably still the best gen Mustang in my opinion. These ones, I think they're like the 2013s or whatever. They are so nice. 5.0. If I was to choose a Mustang, definitely these ones. They're just so timeless to me. Thanks to Need for Speed as well. If you guys know, you know. And you guys have already seen this one. We've seen it so many times. The M2 with all the carbon in it. You guys know this one. Always see this one. Still crazy every time to see it with the roll cage in the back and everything. Got, I think, a 335 right here. Or I could be wrong. Yeah, I could be definitely wrong. It's the M3. Even better. And oh my gosh, dude. R32. That is nice. Rear wheel drive. These seats are sexy. What the hell? Those are so nice. Up into the front, bagged, got the deep dish lips. To the RB25, I think. I know it says 26 on there. He might have swapped it or not. You guys can correct me or not, but whatever. Regardless, turbo, single turbo, super nice. Yeah, bro, that is dummy clean. Like, jeez. And I know they sound good too. R32s. The RB motor is so damn nice sounding. And then we got a BRZ here also. Look at these like aero discs. And you go in here. Pretty chill, pretty relaxed. Got like the neon underglow, or the underglow in general, the little livery at the side. And yo, an EK is out here too. What the hell? Here we go. Hey, you got it back up and running, eh?
Yeah.
Sheesh, alright. The B16A2 boosted. Really nice, man. Got the front mount in there. And you see, it's just simple. Wheels, tires, suspension, boosted. And he's had this for like, what, 2 years running it like this, and it's been running like a dream. So you know what? Huge shout out to this dude. It's nice. This thing's still running good, eh?
Yeah.
I know, I always see this thing driving around and I'm like, bro. Got a 350Z just sitting here chilling. We got a Mercedes right here, and we actually have an R35 GTR, which you guys can pretty much see from right here. Black, the red little decals and stuff. You guys already know what R35s are. These things are pretty much cheat codes of the car scene. They make some stupid power, but super cool to see one. Mark 5. Dope to see. C6. The best Corvette, in my opinion. I don't care what anybody else says, but which one would you guys take? A Mark 5 with a B58 or a C6? Here's a car you don't see all the time. RX8. You really don't see them often. And not really modified like as much anymore. Like, I get it, they're like super notoriously unreliable, but when they're done right, they look really good. RPF ones, you guys know I don't like those wheels, but you know what? They're a good all-around wheel, and can't complain about that. We got a Z here, 370 on some, what are they, ESRs, I'm assuming. Got the exhaust there. Got a Type R, I think, on some Volks. They might be like, yeah, they're just fast wheels, never mind. But hey, there we go, another EK, a different one, but this one's K swapped. Damn, we're seeing K swaps everywhere now. Pretty crazy, but Yo, just saying, if the Speed 3 goes, when the day comes, we're definitely getting one of these. EKs all day. Also got a Speed 6 right here too. Super sleeperish. Like, people don't think these things are anything, but let me tell you, they're pretty much an all-wheel drive Speed 3. Got a Civic over there. I can't even see what that is, but it's really chill tonight, guys, which I was not expecting. Okay, here's something you don't see every day. A Celica, the GT4, I think that's what it's called, or something like that. The all-wheel drive, boosted, 4-banger. Yeah, GT4 Celica. You do not see these like at all. So the fact that we even see one right now, that's pretty damn sick, dude. In this green color too. Wow, man. You do not see these like ever, bro. And we got a Civic Coupe over there, but that is a fire car too. Super underrated. Gee, boosted CRV, dude. The front mount, god damn. Turbo. This is actually sick. That's the Prisma seats in there. The little quick release. The NTO3s. Now these are way better than RPF 1s. I don't know why people are so obsessed with RPF 1s when the NTO3s are way cleaner. But damn, bro, this is sick. God damn, I was tripping, guys. It's not even a CRV. It's a Toyota, bro. I was tripping because I looked at the back here and I'm like, bro, this is not a CRV, but it's a damn Toyota, which is even more respectable. Holy, NTO3s, boosted. That is sick, bro. Turbo. What? This is sick. Even more of a big props, bro. On a Toyota, bro. It is very easy to get confused with a CRV with this thing, but oh my god. Holy, look at this. EKs, and another EK. Now I don't know if you guys can even see because it is like black in this parking lot. There's like no lights or lampposts up here, only like over there where like the building is. But we got a C6 over here too in this nice color. It's like, I don't even know, I can't see properly, but it's like a dark red type of thing. C6. Again, like I said, the best Corvette made, in my opinion, body wise and everything. In my opinion, the best one. Got ourselves a G37 over there. Got some nice fitment going on, not too bad. Actually got this Audi right here too. It's like this solar gray or sonic gray. I don't know the colors for Audi, but it actually looks really nice. A nice color. Guys, look at those headlights. That is so sick. What? Jeez. Bruh. What the hell? See the difference between an actual sports car versus, like, you know, your average base 10th gen. Always feels the need to have to show off. Okay, here we go. Some people leaving. Hey. And then we got some people that's actually coming into the meet. Is that a Q60? I am so disappointed that those don't come manual. I really am. Here we go. Let's see if they're gonna give us a little show. Wasn't as crazy as I thought it would be at all, which is very surprising because most of the meets that I don't go to, I see online that like people's plates been pulled or it's been crazy. And just like that, guys, we have made it back to the Speed 3. Hope you guys did enjoy this small little car meet. I know it wasn't much. It definitely wasn't as crazy as I thought it would be. This one was actually super chilled. It wasn't people, you know, shooting flames, two-stepping, or any of that crazy stuff that you guys seen last year at like La Paloma and stuff like that. Until then, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Please be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Stay humble. Stay blessed. Peace.